Hello guys, good morning. Yeah, we are still enjoying our holiday. So guys, I'm hungry. I just want to eat, so let me show you guys what I'm eating. So I have my rice here. This is from the party. Yeah, this is from my little cousin's birthday. Is a izoko. What do you guys call this in your native language? In Benin we call this izoko. It was super delicious, guys. Super delicious. So I'm going to be stepping it down with my mouth, and of course my water. Kita, yeah? I'm gonna say hello. Because I'm on it. Not say hello.
This one.
What now?
This one.
I'm leaving today. But my friend was telling me yesterday that without vaccine you can no longer take the train. Vaccine, sorry, vaccine is French. So I don't know how true, but I don't want to do tests. Instead, I just prefer to go and do the vaccination. The weather is beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. Eat with me, thank you. I want to finish eating and go and take a shower. So we come and the kids are already ready. I'm just the only one remaining and my cousin. So we dress up and we are going to be leaving soon.
It means we'll go to the train, not in the metro.
Yeah, but first of all, I'm going to take my vaccination. Yeah. Because they say without vaccine, I cannot take the train.
Why, mommy?
It's the law now. Normally they said on the 15th, but now I heard is on the 9th now. Since yesterday was on the 9th and today is 10th. So from on the 9th now, you cannot take the train without vaccination. Few moments later. Just take a look at these two. Take a look. Exercise sleeping.
Exercise sleeping.
Look at exercise pillow. So cute.
Exercise.
So cute. Don't eat it, please. Don't eat it. Newton the German king. So guys, meanwhile I bought this one from Zara yesterday. It's super cute. This is the price. It's so cute. It's a bracelet. Just take a look at these two. Later finish my mouth already. Look at its version.
Yes, I finished your mouth.
But every time it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet. Whoa, I keep on falling. Whoa, I like the taste of it.
So guys, this is the city center. Guys, we are about leaving now. Yeah. Look at Christina. Yeah, we met some lovely people in Grenoble. Yeah. This is Christina. Hi. And this is my brother-in-law.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for the hospitality. And this is my cousin. And this is our mama. Mama, say hello. Hi. Yeah, this is not Au revoir. They came from Spain, so they'll be leaving tomorrow. So we are leaving right now. So we are going to meet them. Comment they go now? Huh? Thank you. Say coucou. Bye. We love you.
Keep on falling. I like the taste of it.
We are in the train now. We missed the train that we were supposed to take, so this is the other train. I'm so stressed out, guys. I'm even sweating. I can't take off my mask. Nathan is here. Amelie is here.
Hello.
So we have our things here because start up is too small, so we cannot put our luggage there.
Mesdames, Messieurs, bienvenue à bord du TER Auvergne-Rhône-Alpes à destination de Lyon-Pardieu. Il desservira Voiron, la Tour du Pin, Bourgoin-Jallieu, la Verpillière et partira à 17h22. Nous vous rappelons que les billets doivent être compostés, la carte sera validée avant l'accès au train. Nous vous invitons à ne pas laisser vos bagages sans surveillance et à signaler tout colis volontairement donné.
Assieds-toi.
Merci de votre vigilance.
Assieds-toi, Nathan.
Pour votre confort et votre sécurité, la région Auvergne-Rhône-Alpes et SNCF vous informe que ce train est placé sous surveillance vidéo.
Look at your nails. Remove this nail.
So guys, I want to do the COVID-19 test because it says from on the 9th, which is yesterday, you cannot take the train without vaccine or without doing the test. So I just had to do it. I don't really know how true because I was talking to my hubby. He said that it's when you are going very fast. Because normally from here to my city is let me just say 1 hour 30 minutes. It's not even up to. So I don't really know if it's necessary, but I just have to do it just in case of the necessity.
Did you do the vaccine of the picture?
Not the vaccine, I mean the test, the COVID-19 test.
Mommy,
don't touch that.
Why you didn't do it, Mama?
Because I have to do two. If I do only one, it will not be enough for me.
Seriously.
Because there is two vaccines. If you do only one.
Mommy.
Hello, babe, Alpha.
Wait. Hello. Another thing for
that is this when it's tasty, that will be his problem.
but why? Because it's forget and listen. But why the money man not doing again? Not appreciate. But why not you'll beat me? Huh? I like you from
Nathan is doing the coloring after all the shenanigans on the tree.
you put this one, you put this one, you put this one, you put this one.
Yes.
You put this one.
Hi guys, we've arrived. We're in Lyon, Pardieu now. Guys, I'm going to be leaving this vlog right now because I'm tired and just want to go and sleep. So I hope you guys enjoy going to Grenoble and coming back with me. In case you're seeing this face for the first time, please do wait to subscribe, click the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye guys. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, this is our city. This is Lyon. So we're in Lyon already. Of course, we have arrived, Mama. So Nathan is still here after all the shenanigans. You want to do what? We are already in Paris now.
We'll use another train.
Yeah, we only have to take metro to go home. Lyon part. That's a cuckoo.